In today's digital landscape, where scam calls and fake videos are increasingly prevalent, it's essential to have tools that can safeguard your communications. AI Call Scanner is a cutting-edge feature designed to detect and differentiate between real human voices and AI-generated ones. With this technology, you can confidently engage in phone conversations, knowing that the person on the other end is genuinely who they claim to be and not a scammer using sophisticated AI to deceive you. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. AI voice scam calls are becoming an increasingly concern in India as scammers are leveraging advanced AI technologies to impersonate trusted individuals or organizations. These scams are sophisticated and can be difficult to detect, making it essential for people to be aware of the risks and take steps to protect themselves. Here's an overview of the growing issue and how to safeguard against it. Scammers are using AI to mimic voices of familiar contacts or authoritative figures such as bank officials, government representatives, or even family members. These calls can sound highly convincing, making it difficult for victims to realize they are being scammed. The use of deepfake technology allows scammers to create near-perfect voice replicas. By collecting voice samples from social media or other sources, they can produce calls that sound eerily accurate, tricking even the most cautious individuals. With the rapid adoption of smartphones across India, a large number of people are accessible to scammers through mobile networks. As more Indians use digital banking and payment services, scammers see an opportunity to exploit vulnerabilities in this area. Secondly, many people are still unaware of how advanced AI technology has become, making them more susceptible to these sophisticated scams. As AI voice scam calls continue to rise in India, awareness and proactive measures are key to protecting yourself and your loved ones. By staying vigilant and adopting the strategies, you can reduce the risk of falling victim to these sophisticated scams. Let's look into today's headlines. WhatsApp is developing a new AI voice feature for hands-free communications. A new AI capability that will enable hands-free voice communications with Meta AI is being developed by WhatsApp. Found in iOS and Android beta versions, the functionality would allow users to have two-way voice conversations with Meta AI. It would provide several voice options, transcriptions, and captions. The feature is not yet ready for testing. It is still in development. Instagram to enable friends' location tracking and sharing of images and videos on maps. Trials for a new feature on Instagram that mimics Snapchat's Snap Maps have begun. With the help of this creative tool, which Snapchat first unveiled in 2017, users may post text and video updates on a map according to where they are. Users can share the map with friends so that they can see each other's updates simultaneously. Google has started releasing Pixel 8 phones built in India. Google began local production of the Pixel 8 in India ahead of the release of the Pixel 9 series, which is the company's first move into Indian manufacturing. Dixon Technologies assembles the Pixel 8 and Google plans to ship more than 10 million of them worldwide this year. This action is in line with Apple's local production strategy since it aims to lower costs and offer competitive pricing. Opera One browser redesigned for iOS with AI features. An iOS Opera One browser got a significant update that brought AI-powered capabilities and revamped elements. Opera, which was introduced in beta last year, now has Aria, its AI helper for things like creating images and conducting web searches. A carousel view, a bottom search bar, and adjustable color elements are among the new features that improve the user experience. Spam callers to be blocked for 2 years. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India issued a directive in response to a meeting with significant telecom companies including Airtel, BSNL, Reliance Jio, Tata Teleservices, Vodafone Idea, and Quadrant Televentures that any company that uses large connections for spam calls would have all telecom resources disconnected by their TSP and will be placed on a 2-year blacklist. That's all for now. Wishing you a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.